Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very short condensed video and it is how I do my eyebrows. I've gotten a lot of questions about that and so I wanted to share with you guys how I do mine. So if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, just keep on watching. So now that I have you guys all zoomed in, I'm going to show you guys how easy this is because all I use is the ANASTASIA Dip Powder Duo in dark brown. And the number 12 ANASTASIA brow brush. You see, it's so old, it doesn't even have the number on it. But basically, how we're going to start off is I'm going to take this spoolie, brush my brows upwards, pull your hair back. I'm gonna brush my brow out, and I'm going to take the lighter shade, which is this one, tap into it twice. And I'm going to tightline the bottom part of my brow, which is like the entry point of my brow. Now, that's where I like to use the lighter color because I don't want to just go overboard. So same thing, I go ahead and tap the access off, and now I just do brush strokes to kind of imitate hair, just so that it doesn't look as fake. Now I do that all the way into my brow as well. And right here, so whichever locations I feel like are still like not catered to, I do that as well. And then I take it at the top and I just even it up. Now, we're going to take the darker color, tap into that twice or a couple times, tap any excess off, and on the upper side of my brow, I'm just going to lightly line and define that. So taking more of that dark shade, we're going to outline the edge of our brow and just pull it all the way down so it kind of gives you the definition, and then take whatever excess is on the brush and just line the, actually I did this wrong. You can use your finger to clean off any mistake, but same thing, go on the under part of the brow and kind of just start spot checking and filling in any of the little like holes that you see in your brow. So right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe this down, and grab the spoolie, brush it out, and there you have your brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow and I will be right back. And there we have it. My eyebrows are all done and I use minimal products. And the reason why is about a year to 2 years ago, my brows were in a very depressing place. And what ended up happening is I found my brow lady, who I will be doing a vlog very soon about what it looks like when I go there and how she does my brows, and it's just kind of just gonna be a come with me while I go to the eyebrow lady. And it's basically gonna be just a getting my eyebrows done vlog with the lady who has single-handedly fixed my brows and my whole life, which it feels like. So she's absolutely amazing, and she gave me a couple tips and tricks. And one of the biggest tips that she gave me was do not use waxy products or liquid products on your brows, because the main thing that they do is they go ahead and they weaken the follicle. When they weaken the follicle, it allows for any hair within the follicle to fall out a lot easier. So that's why I go in with a powder, because I want to keep my brow hairs. And at night, what I end up doing is I get a spoolie, but I actually just like bought a mascara container that's completely clear, and I put some Jamaican black castor oil in there. I take my spoolie, take off the excess, and brush that through my brows and my eyelashes, and I have seen significant hair growth in both my lashes and my brows. So that's one of my little tips for that. If this video helped you, go ahead and leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe, because I have a lot more helpful videos coming in the future. And I will see you guys in